Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the market update for Thursday, July 21st, 2022. As you see that on the weekly market forecast, I told you the market be able to break out the first level. So now we hit to the second level of a downtrend line here. So the market again up momentum the last 4 or 5 days and continue to push it back up. So we hit some resistance here, so the market will pull back down a little bit, and if we break level here, we will continue to push it up to the upside. So far the market is trying to gain some momentum to the upside. So definitely we will watch out for next week on the FOMC meeting to see what the Fed is going to do. So that one can pump up, if the interest rate is not increased so much, and then the market will find a way to put it back up. So we still have a lot of work to do on the way up. As soon as we're able to break one level, we go to the next level, and we will see that the market will be called bottom out here or not. So it depends on the nature of the move to the upside here. All right, so we'll stick with that, and then we will update for you to see where they're heading to on the after tomorrow market close. All right. Now let's take a look on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is still try to push it back up to the upside, as you can see here, and they have some resistance here. So over here also, so have to watch out. But on the way up, definitely the market cannot go straight up. They go up, pull back down, up, down, long. They keep up momentum. It turns to positive. So we do have a chance for them to get back up there. All right. And look at the Dow. Dow it put it back up and it hit right into resistance. So they will get some pull here, but I think they will find a way to punch to this level and get up more. The Russell 2000 it also clear up the first resistance. So they punch to it, they pull back a little bit, and then find a way to continue to go up further. Look at the crude oil. Crude oil is still in the downtrend after they hit to they retest the upper level here. They failed to make it higher. Now they go lower. So technically they are still sideways choppy here until they be able to clear this downtrend line here in order to put it back up. Otherwise, they will continue to go back and test 93 level there. The gold is also in trouble. They have no sign of reversal yet. Everything is still in the downtrend. Even though they have some support here, they need to go sideways here before they can find a way to put it back up. Otherwise, you are still in the downtrend right now. Look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin it pushed it back up very fast to test this level here. So they have some resistance there. So now they need to go sideways. Okay, wait for the momentum to catch up. They still are far away here in order for them to punch to this level. So they will go sideways here a while before they can find a way to break out. The Ethereum, it's also similar. They run up, like I told you on the last week. They will come back up. They test the first level resistance. They hold up pretty tight, so they will go sideways here before they can break this level and go up to the next level of resistance there. Look at the 11 sector of the S&P 500. The XL material sector is also trying to come back up, as you can see here. We have some resistance up there, but right now momentum is still trying to find a way to punch to this level there. The communication is also trying to come back up. They'll be able to make another high here, and momentum is still there, so they still have room to put it up to the upside. The energy sector is still sideways outside. They come after they have oversold here. They try to find a way to put back up. So in the short term, probably they try to get back to this area there. Financial also try to come back, even though they are still have a lot of resistance here, but they also far bottom. Okay, probably the first thing they will fill up the gap there short term. The XLI, which is the industrial, it also try to gain the momentum. So the short term, this is the first resistance they have to deal with. Okay, in order to move higher. Technology stock do a good job to break out and then continue to build up momentum with like S&P 500, because the tech sector they ride up the S&P 500. So they pull back. Now they continue to put it higher. They have some resistance here, but in the short term they will find a way to punch through it. The consumer table, it also sideways choppy. They try to put back up, but they have a strong resistance here. They try it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, couldn't break it, so they have to go sideways. So it means that you do nothing until they be able to break out and continue to the upside. The utility, the defense sector get hit when the top market come back up. So technically they have to low high. So let's see how deep this one can go. They have multiple gap this to be filled here, but they have some support here. So they up and down, but still in the downtrend right now. The real estate also try to find a way to back up. They hold pretty high here. Even though the interest rate, let me see, oh, that's good thing. So the interest rate is, I draw this line here, so you just want to try to get back there. This one will hold them up, and in this they hold them up. Now they pull back down again, so that will help the real estate, okay, and the technology stock try to find a way to go higher. The XLV, which is the healthcare sector, is also found some support here, and they get a chop down a couple of days, but now they find a way to put it back up if they can clear the downtrend line here. A lot of healthcare stock will continue to put it back up. XLY, consumer discretionary, get a good push today at Tesla. They have a strong move today, so they will put this sector up to the upside again. They have some resistance here, but no problem. They will continue the direction of the trend at this moment right now. If you look at some of the stock that we highlight for you, like Apple, continue to push it up to the upside. Costco, it also try to clear the resistance there. Amazon, it also try to find a way back. Okay, Microsoft, right? All the family stock try to put it back up. Google, they fall behind a little bit, but they try to run a catch up very soon there. Nvidia, okay, semiconductor, it also come back up. As you can see here, the momentum turned positive. Everything, it's a lot of volume coming in too. So they will continue to move higher. Netflix, it also come out with a good earning and then continue to put it to the upside. They have a big gap here, so when they can clear this gap here, it will shut them up to the upside also. Facebook, it slowly, but they also gain some momentum here, okay, to have room to move to the upside. Okay, so I think that's what we have for you today at the current market condition. So at this moment, market put up, so we have some resistance here. So they will have to pull back a little bit, and then they will find a way to break out next week. Okay, so that's all I have for you today, and let's see how I lay out. If you would like to learn how to trade, how to understand technical analysis in the modern way, check out our free webinar on the link on the show more link below. Okay, I will see you on the weekend weekly market forecast, and take care and good luck to you for tomorrow.